afternoon guys, and welcome back to Cook with Lainey. Today we are going to be making my delicious protein mocha muffins. Yes, it combines two of my favorite things, chocolate and coffee. It's a really simple recipe and it is packed full of protein. For your wet ingredients, we are going to need some liquid egg whites. You can also simply separate some regular eggs, some 0% fat-free yogurt, some tinned pumpkin. You can normally pick this up in some of the supermarkets, but if not, I got this on Amazon. A delicious shot of espresso. And to add that extra coffee kick, we've got some coffee extract. For your dry ingredients, I'm going to be using some of this chocolate whey, some almond flour, some cocoa, some dark chocolate chips, and your raising agents, baking powder and bicarbonate of soda. I've got my oven preheating to 190 degrees Celsius. Let's get started. First, we're going to add all of our dry ingredients. 35 grams of our almond flour, 55 grams of our chocolate flavored protein powder, 30 grams of our cocoa, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and then mix all the dry ingredients thoroughly. Next, we add our wet ingredients. We start with 70 ml of liquid egg whites. Next, we add 60 grams of our fat-free Greek yogurt, half a tin or 200 grams of tinned pumpkin, a shot of strong espresso, 3 teaspoons of coffee extract. Using a spatula, mix all the wet and dry ingredients thoroughly. Once the wet and dry ingredients are fully combined, you add in your chocolate chips. Once the chocolate chips have been evenly distributed, we add the mixture to our pre-greased muffin tray. I am making 6 muffins today. Now you simply add your muffin mixture to your preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. While the muffins are in the oven, we are going to prepare our icing. Now for the added protein bonus, we are going to use 15 grams of vanilla casein. Casein works a lot better than whey in this case. We are going to use some of this sugar-free icing sugar. I get this from Sucrin in the UK. I'm sure there are other alternatives available in other countries. I think cream cheese works best for the best consistency for my icing, and I am going to use the lightest Philadelphia to save on the fats. And to get that coffee mocha flavor, I'm adding in some of this coffee extract. For your icing, you will need 15 grams of vanilla casein and 80 grams of your sugar-free icing sugar. Now we add 100 grams of your lightest Philadelphia and 2 teaspoons of your coffee extract. The muffins have been in the oven for about 25 minutes and they are looking very big and fluffy and chocolatey, so I am going to let them cool on this cooling rack before I frost them and devour them. You enjoyed my mocha muffin recipe and you enjoyed preparing it for yourself and your family. Make sure to check out my other recipes on the blog and make sure to like the video and subscribe if you want to see more of these recipes.